Cuckoo Electric Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-N0681FV Vivid Red. Enjoy delicious meals without the hassle. Between hectic work schedules and a busy personal life, making a healthy, well-balanced dinner is far from the top priority. Pressure cookers are a great way to quickly prepare meals, but trying to clean cooked-on food only adds more work to your to-do list. What sets our cooker apart from the competition is fuzzy logic. It's a highly intelligent cooking algorithm that detects which type of grain it's preparing. From there, it determines temperature and cooking time according to the thermal sensor's calculation. By eliminating guesswork and human error, rice is cooked properly every time. To change the language settings: 1. Turn on the rice cooker. 2. Hold the mode button, then press it 9 more times. 3. Press the menu button to navigate between 1. Korean, 2. English and 3. Chinese. 4. Press the set button. 3. Today risk-free with our money back. Asterisk stock is limited. Order today to ensure availability. Order your rice cooker now for tasty, hassle-free meals.